Listen, I've heard from a lot of you that you want to dress up as me, Michael Lohman from ClickBank for Halloween. And while I'm flattered, honestly, it just can't be done. There's only one original Michael from ClickBank. You can't duplicate perfection. The one, what the hell?
Yeah, excuse me, sorry. Okay. Well, today, hello everyone, Michael Lohman here with the top 5 ClickBank offers in the health and wellness category for October. Can you believe it? We're already into spooky season, and let me tell you, there's nothing scarier than picking the wrong offer to promote. Am I right, folks?
I don't sound, no. That's not how I sound.
Michael,
where did you get these clothes?
They're your clothes, Michael.
You are wearing my clothes?
Michael. So light
Where
a
did you
pumpkin
get
spice
my
candle,
clothes?
put on a puffy vest, and get ready for the best of the best Nutra offers for October. We've got some newbies, some classics, and an exciting non-human Nutra offer.
What? No.
Yes, I'm sorry,
no,
Michael.
this isn't right.
Sorry.
That's not me. That is not me. I'm me. You look at me. This is me. That's not me. Don't, you stick with me, folks, okay? I don't know what's going on here, but I'm gonna get to the bottom of it, okay? Dylan, where are you? Dylan, what's going on here, man? What do you mean you have to plan for the future? It was it was one birthday. It doesn't mean I turned 80. What? I need this, man. I need this gig, okay? Shake it out. I just saw myself. There's another me. Where was I? Right, top offers. There's only one Michael, only one me. Just because there's another me doesn't mean there's not another me. So we got a new one here, and it is Seroburn. Seroburn is a new top offer to ClickBank that supports serotonin health. With a wide array of benefits, this supplement is off to the races and already showing great numbers. Also, this supplement is a little different than our typical supplements. It has 2 different formulas and products, Seroburn AM and Seroburn PM. Now, the AM formula contains ingredients that help ramp up metabolism, boost mood, and burn that fat. The Seroburn PM formula does not contain caffeine and is taken right before bedtime, so just to get you snoozy. Affiliates are loving this offer because the upsells and funnels are exquisitely crafted. With opportunities for commission increases and a heck of an affiliates tools page, this offer is great for beginner affiliates in the space and for veteran affiliates alike. Now, let's get into that data. Has an earnings per click of 81 cents, an average payout value of $115.04, and a hot conversion rate of 0.77%. That's really good, especially really good during this time of October, November. You're fighting through political ads. Nutra is typically not on a lot of people's radar, so anything that's getting close to that 1% on conversion rate and close to an earnings per click of $1 overall on average with all affiliates, that's a winner in my book, so go. Test it. In spot number 4, it's Sync. Sync is a metabolism supporting supplement that helps keep the body's internal clock in, you guessed it, sync. It improves life, boosts energy, and tells that fat to go bye. Sync is brought to you behind the visionaries behind several other evergreen ClickBank top offers, so you know that they have the formula down, man. Affiliates are loving this offer because, well, the numbers. With an APV of over $170, this offer is going to be a hot one. Now, we got to warn you, this offer is new, so we can't quite give you an accurate EPC or hot conversion rate, but with an APV like that, they're going to be good. If you think this one is right for you, head over to the marketplace and grab your link today. Now, talking about the things that are too early to tell, I'm telling you this with a grain of salt because whenever we have something and that's only been around for a few weeks, it is going to move. But it's early EPC is, once again, and that 71 cent EPC range. Average payout value, $171.71. Hot conversion rate, it's about 1%. Now, it's too early to tell. A lot of new offers that come out this time, they're optimizing, they're continually getting better, but you definitely want to promote this because this is from a diamond level advertiser that just has sent out banger after banger after banger. I mean, they slap. So you're definitely going to want to promote this. And in third place, we have Dentavim, another new offer. And Dentavim is a world-class blend of 6 powerful mountain oasis sorts ingredients brought together to support and restore oral health. Dentavim works to prevent the damage caused by particulate matter, which are tiny particles in the air pumped in by pollution, cars, factories, wildfires, and more. These particles inflame the gums and wreak havoc on dental health. Ew, right? So Here's why affiliates love this offer. The branding is superb, the upsells are compelling, and the affiliate tools are tried and true. This new offer is sure to catch momentum, so get in there while the getting is good. Head to the marketplace to grab your link today. Now, to the numbers. It has an EPC of $1.20, an average payout value of $148.68, and a hop conversion rate of 1%. Awesome, right? Well, caveat, it's early with this one too. We have a good feeling this is going to be good. Once again, another diamond level advertiser that continually knocks out hits. So it will continually be optimized. It's just going to get better from here, and it's tough sledding when you're testing in this environment. So go promote it and expect even better. Are you promoting top offers? I mean, are you really? Are you maybe not seeing the results you want to see? If so, you might not be alone. We see affiliates all the time that get stuck learning on their own, fizzle out, give up. It's normal. Sometimes to break through your current roadblock, there's no replace for good old-fashioned coaching and experience, which is why we ask some of our top ClickBank affiliates to take time out of their really busy schedules to help up-and-coming new affiliates like yourselves. So click the link below to work one-on-one with ClickBank Platinum affiliates and supercharge your next affiliate campaign and finally get them promoting. Now, let's get back to offer number 2, which you know is going to just convert. Now to spot number 2. It's Nagano Tonic, and Nagano Tonic is a repeat top offer, and it's obvious why. This offer has it all: the branding, the affiliate resources, the upsells, the happy customers. Nagano Tonic is a blend of all natural ingredients that support weight loss and energy levels. Plus, it's anti-aging. Created by the genius team responsible for other ClickBank evergreen hits, Nagano Tonic has what it takes to keep this momentum going. And if you need more proof, just listen to these numbers I'm about to tell you. And then after that, go to the marketplace and grab your link and test it. Now those numbers: EPC, $1.36, average payout value, $145.39, and a hop conversion rate of 1.03%. I mean, that's insanely good. It's really good, especially in this environment. Is it gonna scale during these times? Maybe not to the heights that you normally see in a Q1, but it's not Q1. It's October, man. It's October. It's Halloween time. And this one, a diet and weight loss, when people are chomping on candy, hitting those apples, and drinking way too much nog, it's killing it. So go, test it, promote it. You're gonna like it. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. In our number 1 spot, we have Pawbiotics. Give it up for one that isn't for humans. It's for our little fur babies. Pawbiotics is probiotics for canine companions, supporting the 5 gut bacteria that need to thrive. Inside of every drop of Pawbiotics is a blend of 13 all-natural ingredients proven to support dog gut health, and this offer is perfect for affiliates in the pet space and the Nutra space, or for people in the pet space who want to cross over into the Nutra space, or for people in the Nutra space who want to try out the pet space, or people who just love pets. With effective affiliate resources, excellent upsells, and free gifts with multiples, this offer has plenty of opportunities for affiliates to earn and scale. So head to the marketplace, grab your link, and let's take a look at those numbers. EPC, $1.95, an average payout value, $132.08, and a hop conversion rate of 1.68%. I mean, whoo! Who let the dogs out? Who? I mean, it's a great offer. It's a really good offer, and it's a great offer during this time when people maybe aren't so focused on their own health, but they're sitting there looking at their dog, feeling sad and a little bit anxious and guilty they didn't take their dog out for their walk today, and now it's too late. It's 10. You're watching the Netflix, right? That's for them. So go promote it. So that's it for the October top Nutra offers on ClickBank. There was something for everyone on that list, even for the puppers. I mean, give it up for the puppers. Thank you for joining us this time. Don't forget, there can only be one Michael from ClickBank. There is only one Michael from ClickBank, right?